Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is March 29, 2018, and this is our daily cryptocurrency market analysis where we are giving you all the news according to the charts right before it occurs the next trading day. That's how powerful it is to understand this financial language. And once you all understand for yourselves, you too will become more confident and as well more profitable in the cryptocurrency space. Now, before I get started on today's analysis, please go to our Patreon page because you will get more impactful, exclusive information that is not privy to no one else on the internet. We have the tools and the resources to make sure that you all become more equipped when you are into the cryptocurrency market trading. So make sure you come to our Patreon page at HueFin News, and you guys will definitely get more access to exclusive content and as well no ads on the videos. So now let's go ahead and get started in our analysis for today. Definitely, if you guys saw our video on yesterday, you guys could tell that the market went directly where we said it will go, and that is to the downside. It seems as if that, especially on Bitcoin, once I show you guys the chart, that the market is finding a stopping place at least for the next couple of hours. So there will be a good opportunity to kind of jump in and ride the market as it continues to move higher, but you still got to be cautious because long term we are definitely in a bear market, what some people will term as a bear market. Only thing that really means is that the market is being sold off. That's it. Okay, so a lot of these financial pundits and so-called experts like to use these terminologies that you need to understand. So therefore, bear markets just simply means selling. Okay, so let's look at coinmarketcap.com. Told you all a couple of days ago that the market is definitely going the opposite direction of what we saw beginning half of this year going into 2018. We're now sitting below $300 billion. The market is now at 268.2 billion. Bitcoin dominance nevertheless is still going higher. So definitely tells you that a lot of these ICO projects are definitely losing a lot of interest, but Bitcoin is maintaining more than all the other altcoins a lot of its prestige and its prominence. So now Bitcoin currently is down 9.48%. Ethereum as well is down 13.18. Ripple is down almost 10% as well. Bitcoin Cash is having a drastic down day today, down 17.09%, and Litecoin as well is down 2.64. so as I scroll down, everything is red. So this tells you the overall momentum of the market is to the downside. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started for our analysis on today. Bitcoin on Bitfinex is down 8.94%. Last trade was $7,265. Daily price chart for Bitcoin, you guys can tell that we are getting a precursors of weakness, and the market simply just came back and tried to test the lows or the close and the open from the 5th and the 6th of February. I've been telling you all that is a very crucial spot for a lot of these altcoins. So we're now trying that area once again. So obviously you would expect buyers to come into the market right now, and on this daily price chart that is definitely occurring. We got a lot more volume than we've seen in quite some time. Almost about 11 or 12 trading days we have not seen this much volume come into the market. So obviously there's a lot of selling or either a lot of buyers coming into the market today for Bitcoin. Looking at the 3-hour bars for Bitcoin, you guys can see that we are noticing buyers coming in the market. Look how much volume is currently coming on this 3-hour bar. If this current bar closes above this previous close, then expect consolidation to continue. $7,100 is going to hold that support. It might break it a little bit lower than that. So just to be on the safe side, let's say $7,000 could be support. And resistance is all the way up there at $7,400 because we can definitely tell that stockpile is also coming in the market. Let's take a look at the 1-hour bar. So now we're looking at the 1-hour bar for Bitcoin, and you guys can see how a lot of volatility came in the market on this 1-hour bar. The market went higher and traded lower, and then the bar came and closed towards the middle of the bar. So we need to wait on this 1-hour bar to see whether or not the buyers or the market participants are in a buying mode or a selling mode. And currently they are definitely hitting the market with stockpile for Bitcoin. But nevertheless, we're looking for Bitcoin just to continue in consolidation. And as we go throughout that consolidation, then we're expecting we'll come up with a decision on where the market is going to go for Bitcoin, albeit even on the 30-minute bars, you guys can see that we're getting precursors of weakness bars. So expect Bitcoin just to consolidate. And as time go on, we'll come up with a better depiction of where we expect the market to go. But so far, our analysis is for Bitcoin to continue to consolidate. Okay. Next on the list is going to be Ethereum. So Ethereum is down 12.74%. Last trade was $392.65. Push to go down bar is being reflected today on Ethereum. Definitely a lot more volume, just like with Bitcoin we've seen over the last 10 or 11 trading days. So obviously, let me see if I can zoom out. You guys can see that we're now testing the lows that occurred here from November 30th, 2017 all the way to the beginning first week of December of 2017. So that's where we're testing right now. The market definitely needs to hold support, because you can see here as I zoom in, this is exactly where the tops were all the way back since June 13, 2017. The market came and hit as resistance. Market tried it again on the 1st of September, and now we're trading there once again today. So it tells you obviously that the market is definitely finding support, or it's going to try to. I can tell you that it's going to try to find support right now. But given as much volume that came in the bar today, we can definitely break that support area. 3-hour bar looks just like Bitcoin, so nothing too much to explain here. Push to go down bar, it was reflected on this last completed 3-hour bar. So currently we are stopping the market from moving lower, but we are noticing stockpiles still coming in the bar. So the low for Ethereum can definitely be at $380. Resistance can be all the way up there at 410. So our analysis for Ethereum in the short term is for consolidation to continue, and as time goes on, we will be able to tell you all where we expect it to go. But right now we're just expecting consolidation for Ethereum as well. Okay, so like I told you, 380 support, resistance is going to be right there around $400. If the market closes above this previous close, then we run a higher probability of moving higher. But given the fact that we had such a substantial down move over the last couple of days, it might just move higher, only up to around $400 to $404, and then move lower once again. So next on the list is going to be Litecoin. So Litecoin is down 10.87%. Last trade was $118.42. Daily price chart for Litecoin looks just like Ethereum's bar, pushed to go down. A lot of volume is coming into the market. Buyers are definitely here today as well. So we need to see on the 3-hour bar whether or not the buyers are going to push Litecoin to the upside. And you guys can definitely tell that the market for Litecoin is a lot stronger compared to Ethereum and Bitcoin. Please make sure that you guys see where the bar closes on this 3-hour bar. Stockpile is still coming in the market though, but if it closes towards the high of the bar, then please expect Litecoin to continue to move higher. $122.50 all the way up to $125 are the resistance areas for Litecoin. If the bar closes towards a high, we're still expecting Litecoin to move higher. Now, just like with Ethereum, it might move higher, but then get more resistance and run across more stockpile, and the market move back to the downside. Okay, so this is just like a quick trade. Have a quick entry position, put your order in. As the market moves to the upside, have an exit position already established, so once it actually gets triggered, you're already out the market. This is not one of those buy and hold type of situations, because we have not found the bottom just yet. So 1-hour bar for Litecoin as well is giving us more stockpile, but we're not seeing as many precursors of weakness bars on a 1-hour chart. So we're definitely looking for Litecoin to consolidate or even move a little bit higher. $122 possibly could be in the cards in the short term, but then like I said, that's probably how far it will go. It could even go to 124, but that's highly unlikely. if we do not get any volume to back the move, because currently on this 1 hour bar we not have that much volume compared to what we saw on the last completed 1 hour bar. So now the last one for today is going to be Ripple. Ripple is down 9.17%. Last trade was 52 cents, almost 53 cents. You guys can see on the daily price chart for Litecoin, for Ripple, market is still giving us precursors of weakness today. Buyers are there though, so I mean, expect consolidation to occur in the short term. Quick look at the 3 hour bars for Ripple. Kind of looks like Litecoin. Market definitely is being overcome by all the selling. Buyers are trying to step in, but sellers are still coming in the market because we got this bar closing towards the middle of the bar. So the next 3 hour bar would definitely tell us whether or not the market will continue to move higher or consolidation will continue. Consolidation is from 50 cents all the way back up to, let's move to a smaller time frame to see. So resistance all the way up there at 53.5 cents. So that's where resistance is. But first the market has to break 52.5 cents, which it tried to do earlier. But now you guys can see where the bar currently is closed. So we definitely are noticing stockpile come in the market. So consolidation is going to be our analysis for Ripple as well. 50 cents as support, resistance up there at 53.5 cents, because the market is not done with all of the stockpile coming in the market. So that's all we have for today, March 29, 2018. Quick recap of what I just stated for these altcoins. Expect consolidation to occur in the short term, and as time goes on, as the market moves higher back up towards area of resistance, which I have shown you all for each of these altcoins, please pay attention to see whether or not you get more precursors of weakness, because if you do, the market will move back lower. Okay, but I do feel confident in stating that in the short term, at least, we will continue to consolidate, bounce back up to prior area resistance, and then move back to the downside, because we are not out the woods yet, because we have had such a huge downturn overall in the cryptocurrency space. So that's what I have for you all today. If you guys want more information, more exclusive content to our analysis and our financial language that we do understand, you have to come over to Patreon. You guys would definitely enjoy it. You guys will also learn more than what we are actually giving you here on YouTube. So that's all I have for today. Everyone stay profitable, and I will talk to you all later.